guys, back with it again. We are going on a bike ride, yeah. But because I plan on sneaking out, and I'm just gonna do a little bike ride, and it's not gonna be that long, or the video might be long, but not so long, long on, and real long, but we're going on a ride, okay, we're rocking on a rocket ship, it's so funny when you do that, it's, so we're going, I mean, my dad said that last night that if we wake up and there's no power, I said I'll just take my bike and then I'm riding all the way to my aunt's house because my aunt let us have her house, and now she's living with my uncle, her baby daddy, but my uncle. And this is not going to be a long bike ride, it's going to be like a short one, but it might be long for the video. We're going down, then we're going this way, turning on that street right there, not over there. Because apparently there was, what I saw last time I went on the bike ride, but not with you guys, I saw Michael Myers costume. It was like a mannequin, but I got so scared. I just turned around and I went by you. And I got so scared. I had a nightmare about him. And I'm just riding my bike and then he just comes chasing after me. I had a nightmare like that. And then it turned into fun. Oh my. And then it gets super scary, bro. I'm super. That's why I'm now turning on this street. I'm going that way and boom. I have to stand up. It's hard at riding with one hand. So we gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. I just hope I don't drop you guys. Oh my god, that's a nice car right there. Look at that Jeep. Yeah, it's really cool. And I'm I just got super scared, smoke. Ugh. Yeah, because I always smoke around. Every single day, I come around here, and then over there, there's house right there, you see? The house over there. And then there'll be smoke coming over there because it's so cold, but I'm not even cold at all. I'm not even wearing a jacket. I'm not cold at all. Bitch, are you cold? I'm not cold. And then oh my god, sorry guys. I thought I was about to shoot with you guys. We're making it back. Oh my god, I'm not gonna let it go because some of these but I don't want to disturb anybody. That's so many yard. I want to steal it. I want to steal it, bro. That little kid scooter.